Good morning, everyone. Okay, October 31st, 2023, Halloween. Hope everybody's going to have a good day today. Kids, be safe out there. Got a couple of things I want to show everybody. Got a knife, update, a few things to talk about. First of all, now there it is. That is the coffee to have. Now, I'm not sponsored by these guys, but if you happen to see that and you want to send me coffee, that's fine. I'm just saying. I'll be plugging your coffee, and that right there is a really cool cup. This was given to me by my nephew and his beautiful wife, Andrew and Brandy. Thank you for my birthday, and a whole bunch of that coffee too. So I'm ready to go. Awesome coffee. Anyhow, all right, back to the knives. That one right there. All right, this one here is one of my Bushcraft Woods knives. Very cool knife. Similar, now if you look at it, similar pattern, similar blade shape, somewhat, to the old marbles design from way back in the 20s and the 30s. Always liked that look. Obviously very popular here because every time I make one, it sells. I make this in two sizes too. This one, hold on a second. What the hell size is that one? and the big size too. That sells like crazy also. Okay, overall it's about 8 3/4. Got a 4.5-inch blade. A lot of different kinds of thoughts as to which blade size is the best for hunters and bushcrafters. I'll get into that in a minute here, but anyway, this one is spoken for. Okay, sorry. Anyhow, it's got a really nice piece of tiger on it, lanyard, all that. Really, really good. Really, probably just right for hunters, skinning knives, and the bushcrafters too, camp guys. Just cap parts are great too, but a knife with a belly on it like that really works good for skinning. So, alrighty, put that one there. Now, last time we talked here, I had a limited run of cap parts that I had put up. Now those went within the blink of an eye. Those are all almost done. I already contacted a few of the customers. They'll be getting them shortly. Now, please keep in mind that I typically only work on about 15 to 20 knives at a time. All right, and it is just myself here. I may say we, but it's just me doing all the work here. So, a lot of people, especially this time of year, to get a little impatient, and and I understand they want their knives, they're excited, but again, nothing will ever leave here unless it meets my standards. It may take a little longer. That's just the way. That's why all my time frames are estimated. I am not sending out a subpar product, and it's going to meet my standards, and that's all there is to it. So, anyhow, now we talked about the next time I do that limited run in the last video, and that was I was thinking about doing the Hudson Base. Now I don't want to upset anybody or disappoint anybody, but I looked at my schedule, and I've got a lot of those already on order, trying to backlogged orders and phone orders. George, I got yours on there. Brian, I got yours on there. So I want to just stick to those for the time being and not do a limited run of Hudson Base at the moment. Okay, I just want to fill those back orders and get everybody going on that and up to date on those. But I will be doing that at some point. So what I am doing though is there's quite a few small hunters on my small hunter patterns, not small hunter, small hunter pattern. Okay, now that's a little hard to tell. This is the blank. It's already been forged out. I've ground the bevels. Still need to finish grind. These are already hardened and tempered, and get the blade ready for the handle. And I've got quite a few of those on order. So what I did was I made up about I don't know 8 more of these when I was working. And it's much easier doing everything of the same pattern in a bunch there. Easier for me anyway. Just get right into the rhythm of doing that type of a pattern. So those actually are going to be the next ones on my limited run custom order listing on my website. Now, I will notify everybody. I'm not sure exactly when this is going to happen. Now, it's getting close to Christmas here. It's, like I said, the end of October, and everybody's getting antsy. So what I'll do is these will get done to the closest I can possibly do without putting the handle wood on there. So this way people will be able to order whatever handle wood they want in left or right hand sheath. And then they'll go out. Now, if everything goes as planned, we'll do the same thing. Small deposit up front, and when they're done, I'll notify you of when it is and ready to go. And these should be ready for Christmas time. So we'll keep 6 to 8 of those, I think, in the pipeline here, and hopefully that'll be okay for everybody. I know I know there's guys out there want everything, so you know, I'm working as hard as I can. Now, there's another set that I'm working on right now. Okay, a lot of guys, and Brian, you would ask me about this. I'm sorry, buddy, I haven't gotten back to you yet. You've got a Hudson Bay on order, and a small hunter, and a new pattern woodsman, I believe. Anyway, this gentleman had asked me about making a double knife set. All right, having a small hunter and the other knife on the same sheath, which I can. Yes, I can do that, and I'm actually doing that with another knife pattern. And this is an even smaller knife. Okay, I've had this one for a little while now. I've been kind of toying around with the idea of doing what I wanted to do with it. It's a real tiny, like a bird and trout type of knife. Now, a lot of guys like that. They don't want just one knife. You know, a lot of hunters, they'll say, well, I don't need anything more than a 3-inch blade. Well, okay, that's fine. But a lot of guys, they like a big blade. So having two at the same time works great, you know. So I'm actually doing that with this one. Like I say, that's hold on, I'll measure that one out. That's a 3.5-inch blade. Overall is about 7 1/4. So it's not a huge amount smaller than the other one there, but it is thinner and tinier. Just fits on the sheath a little bit better. And I have it, so so we're gonna do that. I'm going to do that. That's also will be available before Christmas as well, unless something catastrophic happens. God help us. So, and did I mention about the coffee? Oh yeah. Okay. All right. I guess that's it. I actually got through the whole recording here without the phone ringing, like the last time. Anyway, thanks again, everybody. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Helps the channel a lot when you like the video. If you like it, that's good. You know, I don't know, this YouTube stuff is just, the algorithms on the counting and all that is just amazing. Anyway, lots more coming. I'll keep everybody updated. Yeah, like I said, the Kep Arts account going out. So anybody wondering about that, those are heading out. So thanks again, and if anybody has any questions, just give me a call or shoot me an email, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks again.